this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends and accept friend requests on your Xbox One. To do this, press the Xbox button, and then right here on the bottom, we want to go to notification. If someone added us as a friend, we'll see it pop up under here. Now all we have to do is go to their name under the notification, and we can add them back as a friend. So let's just choose this person right here, and then go to their name. So let's select them. Then their profile will open up, and we'll have the option to add them as a friend right here, send a message, join, invite, etc. So as soon as we add them as a friend, we'll see them on our friends list. And if they want to add us as a friend, they're going to have to do the same thing under this section. So they'll receive a notification that we added them as a friend, and then they can do the same thing back. Now we always have the option to change friend right here. We can change them from just a normal friend. It says friends appear on your friends list. You see them in your activity feed, and they see you as a new follower. Then we have favorite. Favorite friends are listed first in your friends list. You'll see when they're online or live streaming. Then you can go to share my real name. Let this person see your real name. It might help them recognize you. Then you can go to submit. Otherwise, you come back to this section at some point and you can remove them as a friend right here. Now, if we go back over to our friends list and we go to friends, we can see them online under this section. Also, what we could do is we can go to recently played with right here. Maybe we've played with someone and we can add them as a friend under this section. So I was playing like Rocket League or something. Then we can go to find someone down here on the bottom, and then we can type in their specific name. So let's just type in Tim and see if something pops up. So we have Timmy right here. I believe he's already one of my friends. Or we have Timmy Tech. You can add them as a friend. So when you send a friend request, you don't actually both have to accept it. So as soon as you hit add friend on the person's name, they'll be on your friends list only. And then they have the option to do that as well back to you. So they won't see you online until they add you as a friend back. So hopefully this video did indeed help you all. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.